Dear learners, welcome. Cardiovascular system is one of the most important systems in the human body. Cardio means heart. The main function of the heart is pumping the blood. Let us discuss on direction of blood flow and conduction system of heart. Heart is a hollow muscular conical shape made up of cardiac muscle. Its apex is at the bottom and its base is at the top. Heart is located in between the two lungs in the thoracic region and protected by rib cages. Heart has four chambers. Upper part of the heart is called atrium and the lower part of the heart is called ventricle. Further, it is classified into four chambers, namely right atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. The right and the left heart is separated by the interventricular septum, and the atrium and the ventricular chambers are separated by the atrioventricular septum. The right atrium is connected by blood vessels called superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. In between the right atrium and right ventricle, a tricuspid valve is extended. On the other side of the heart, in between the left atrium and the left ventricle, bicuspid valve, also called as mitral valve, is extended. Pulmonary semilunar valve is situated at the beginning of the pulmonary artery in the right ventricle. Aortic valve is situated at the beginning of the biggest artery called aorta in the left ventricle. All these four valves plays an important role in transporting the blood and have a unique property of unidirectional flow. Never been a reverse directional flow, just like as a cycle tube valve. For better understanding, let me use a diagram conceptually developed. Look at the parts of the heart. The deoxidized blood, blue colored, above the shoulder level of the body are collected through superior vena cava, and below the shoulder level of the body, entire deoxidized blood is collected through the inferior vena cava at the right atrium. From the right atrium, deoxidized blood is pumped through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, deoxidized blood is pumped towards the lungs, that is, away from the heart, through pulmonary artery for purification process. Remember, arteries always carries the pure blood, but pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries the impure or deoxidized blood. Once the deoxidized blood is get purified at the lungs, it is transported towards the heart through pulmonary vein to left atrium. Again, remember, veins always carries the impure blood, but pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries the pure blood. From the left atrium, the blood is pumped to the right and left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. From the left ventricle, oxidized blood is pumped through the biggest artery called aorta to the entire body. Sinoatricular node, SCA node, are a group of specialized cells that capable of generating and propagating their own electrical signals, which is responsible for atricular contraction. It is situated at the posterior wall of the right atrium. SCA node is also known as the pacemaker of the heart. Once the signals propagates, the entire atrium is contracted with the sound lub. This leads to the transmission of signals to the atrioventricular node, that is AV node, situated at the atrioventricular septum and connected to the bundle of S. Further, it is divided into two branches, right and the left, extended towards the Purkinje fibers. This spreads the entire ventricular chamber, which is capable of creating a forceful contraction of entire ventricular chamber with the sound dub. But it takes approximately about 0.13 seconds to propagate the entire ventricular chamber before the atrium gets relaxed. This delayed propagation causes the ventricular chamber to be filled with the blood ejected from atrium. Though the heart is capable of generating its own electrical stimulation, its rhythm can be altered by central nervous system. More specifically, the 10th cranial nerve called vagus nerve, innervated from the brain to the heart, can alter both the number of beats per minute and also its intensity, that is force of contraction. Hope you all understood the concept of direction of blood flow and conduction system of heart. Thank you.